how to play the same game on two Nintendo Switches at the same time. Here's how it works. First, you will need to go into your profile page, and here we just want to click on user settings. Now once you are taken to the user settings, you want to go and find online license settings, click on it and make sure this is turned on. Okay, so once you have done this, we can go back here and you will need to go into the Nintendo eShop. Now click on Nintendo eShop and you can either create a new user or use your main account to search for the game which you want to play on both consoles. Now you will need to download the game on both consoles, and one of the consoles is going to play in online mode and the other one is going to play in offline mode. You will need to set your primary console, and then you can either create a new user here from the page, or what you can do is to open up Nintendo eShop. So we're just going to go into the Nintendo eShop, and here when it asks you who is going to use the Nintendo eShop, you can click on the plus sign and then you can either create a new user or you can import a user from another Nintendo Switch console. If you click on import a user from another Nintendo Switch console, let's just do that. Do you have the console that you would like to import the user from? We are gonna select yes. And do you want to plan continuous use the original console? Yes. And you can link to a Nintendo account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.